Sponsored by Taurus.
Now, have you ever felt stuck deciding whether or not you should choose your iPad or your Mac as being the right tool for the job? Well, you are not alone. With both devices offering incredible functionality, it can be very tough, almost impossible to figure out which one to use and when to use it. But what if you didn't have to choose which one? Well, today we're diving into apps that work flawlessly on both Mac and iPad. Whether you are jotting down notes, saving videos, or planning meals, these apps will keep you and your workflow smooth and connected no matter which device you have at hand. Let me show you how you can take your iPad and Mac experience to the next level. Let's get started. Okay, so here is how we're going to break down today's video. First, we're going to start with ways to make using your iPad and Mac together with two game-changing features. Then we're going to dive into 6 must-have apps that are going to boost your productivity to new levels across your iPad and your Mac. Now at the very end, I'm going to tie everything together with my favorite accessories and some tips and tricks that are going to make your Mac and iPad just all the more useful. Trust me, you do not want to miss out on this. Now, Universal Control lets you use your single mouse, keyboard, and trackpad to control both your Mac and your iPad as if they were one single device. Seamlessly move your mouse across devices, type on either screen, and even drag and drop files in between both devices. But that's just the very tip of the iceberg. If you want even more flexibility, there's Sidecar. Then your iPad becomes an instant second screen display for your Mac, no matter where you're at. With Sidecar, it's like adding an extra monitor, but it's going to be even better. You can move windows between each of the devices, edit videos, sketch directly on your iPad using the Apple Pencil. It is perfect for creative work and even multitasking while you are on the go with your Mac. Now, if you're new to Sidecar, don't worry, it takes just a few clicks in system settings to get started. Let me know in the comments below if you want a quick tutorial. It's very easy. Now that you know how Universal Control and Sidecar can make working on your Mac and iPad even easier, let's push it a step further. Now, the real magic is going to happen when you start using apps that are designed to work seamlessly across both devices with your iPad. Now, these apps are just not good on their own. They really shine when you combine them together. First, let's start with something fun that anyone will be able to use. Cosmicast offers a sleek design with a playful theme, perfect for podcast lovers, with a spinning vinyl, but it's not just for looks. It supports gestures and haptic feedback, making navigation super intuitive. Now, it's one purchase means that it unlocks on all your Apple devices, and since the interface is the same, you really get the same experience whether you're using your iPad, your Mac, even your iPhone, your Apple Watch, and your Apple TV. $9.99, you really can't go wrong. Now, my next app is a personal database app that allows you to organize any type of data that you want to, and that's going to be the app called Collections. Collections let you organize anything with over 20 different field types. You got text, dates, images. There are built-in templates to track time, expenses, projects, or you could even create your own custom collections from scratch. Now, it's great that Collections emphasizes privacy, ensuring that your data is stored securely, all syncing via iCloud. There is universal purchase, so this means it's available on your iPad, your Mac, and your iPhone, ensuring that all your collections stays up to date and accessible wherever you need it. Now, if you're anything like me, you might struggle with planning nutritious meals, not just for yourself, but also for your family. Everyone's got a busy schedule. There are picky eaters, there's budgets, and you have decision fatigue by the end of the day. And that is where the next app comes in, and that is Crouton. Crouton makes meal planning just absolute breeze. You can import recipes from the web, scan them with AI, and get step-by-step instructions with clear ingredient lists. I mean, that's you go to the grocery store, this is just exactly what you need. This is all gonna be synced across your devices, no matter where you're at. You can assign meals on specific days and generate grocery lists, helping you avoid last-minute takeout impulse purchases. It happens. We're a family, we're busy. Again, this is a universal purchase. It works across your iPad, your Mac, and also your iPhone, ensuring seamless access to delicious recipes no matter where you are. And in case it's not clear, guys, the links for all these apps are going to be in the video description. Now, the next app is designed for organizing and bookmarking videos so that you can watch them later, and that app is called Play. Play stores URLs with associated metadata, making it super easy to organize, filter, and even rediscover videos across video platforms like YouTube. With Play, you can group videos using tags and folders, keeping everything nice, neat, and easy to find. You can also follow your favorite channels, and if you want to go ahead and subscribe to the channel right now, it's going to be a great time to go ahead and do so. You can add widgets to your home screen, allowing for quick, easy capture for saved videos whenever you want to go ahead and watch them. And since the app uses iCloud to sync all this information, it's available anywhere that you are and you have an internet connection. Now, Play makes it super easy to keep track of the videos that you want to watch later, no matter which device that you're on or which device that you're using. It's like having a personal video assistant that is organizing your videos for you to watch later. Now, not everything is going to be a third-party app. There's tons of great apps inside Apple's own ecosystem. We have Apple's Infinite Canvas Workspace Freeform, which is perfect for documenting, brainstorming, project planning, which you can start on your iPhone or on your iPad and then move to your Mac when you want to get a bigger canvas and flesh out the ideas. And I would be remiss if I did not mention the Notes app, which has gotten a lot of love this year. You can now add additional structure with collapsible sections and headings, making it easier to manage your content with all that excessive scrolling. You're not going to need to do that anymore. If you're a student or professional, you're going to love the fact that Notes now can record sessions as well as automatically transcribe them into text. It's also indexable, which means it's searchable within the Notes app. Then there's SmartScript, which has been updated in iPadOS 18 to automatically straighten out your handwriting, no matter how messy it is, including mine, probably even yours too. Now, it might not have all the export options that you want when you compare it to other apps, but its seamless integration into the Apple ecosystem really makes it a top choice for anyone, beginners and professionals alike. Now, using your iPad effectively is not just about having the apps, but also about having the right accessories. This is where today's video sponsor, Taurus, comes in with their latest multi-purpose stand for the iPad, and that is the O stand. Whether you are editing videos, reading, or working on your next big idea, the O stand's adjustable multi-angle design ensures perfect viewing angles, comfort each and every time. The O stand is unique because it offers sturdy support, which is enabled by two different kickstands, offering both vertical and horizontal orientations. This means that you can switch between portrait and landscape modes all effortlessly while knowing that your iPad, it will stay in place very securely. No matter how you angle it, the stand itself is designed to withstand the daily use without wobbling. It's great for drawing, it's great for typing, and even watching content on the go. What really stands out is the balance between its lightweight convenience and its solid protection that it offers. It's minimalistic, lightweight, and ready for travel, all without compromising security, while offering 12 feet of drop protection. And to top it all off, the built-in Apple Pencil charger keeps your Apple Pencil charged and ready to go whenever creativity strikes. Now, you can check out Taurus and the O stand by clicking the first link in the video description. Taurus, thank you for sponsoring today's video. Having the right tools is essential, but knowing how to use them is where the magic is going to happen for you. This section is going to cover actionable strategies to help you work smarter, not harder, with your Apple Pencil. Okay, most people know that you can mark up documents on your iPad using the Apple Pencil or even just your finger. But did you know that there is a special, not so widely known feature called continuity markup? I bet you didn't. This allows you to annotate files on your Mac using your iPad and Apple Pencil, and the changes appear on your Mac instantly. Here's how to set it up and use it. First, ensure both devices are signed into the same Apple ID and that you have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. On your Mac, open the file that you want to annotate using Quick Look. Then select the markup option. If your iPad is nearby, the markup tools should open up on your iPad, letting you annotate PDFs, images, documents, all using your Apple Pencil. Now, if you need to redo something, easy peasy, tap revert to undo the changes. Now, when you're done, tap done, and then the updated document version will appear instantly on your Mac with your changes. Now, tip number 2, staying on that Apple Pencil tip, see what I did there again? Do you know that you can use your iPad to create a new signature that will automatically sync to your Macs and any of your other Apple devices? Very easy to do. Here's how to add a signature from your iPad. For this example, I'm going to take a screenshot on my iPad. Next, I will tap the markup button on the top right-hand corner. If it's not already selected, you may see it already selected. Now you can see that the toolbar is at the bottom here, which is going to be the markup toolbar. Then go ahead and tap on the plus icon, then tap add a signature. Using your finger, your Apple Pencil, you can sign your name, and it's very easy if you want to try again. Tap clear, and then finally tap done, and you can adjust the signature if needed by resizing or placing it on the document wherever you'd like to. Once your signature is created, it will sync across all of your Apple devices using iCloud, making it available on your Mac the next time you need to sign a document when you're there. No more printing, signing, and scanning just for a signature. Just draw it and go on your iPad. Now, this next tip will speed up your quick capture and your Apple Pencil immensely. With just a swipe or a tap, you can take notes and capture your thoughts faster than ever before using your Apple Pencil. Swipe up from the bottom right corner of your iPad or your Mac to open quick notes from anywhere. It works system-wide. Swipe up from the bottom left corner to instantly take a screenshot like I did just a moment ago, and this is great for quickly capturing ideas or things that you need just in a minute to remember. And you can always find those screenshots later on by searching in the Photos app for screenshots. And 3, you can quickly start taking notes on your iPad without even unlocking it. Now, this is usually enabled by default, but let's tweak a couple features in settings to make it even better. First, go to Settings, go to Apps, and then go to Notes. Under the viewing section, make sure that new notes start with set to body. If not, change it. And what this is going to do is that when you open and start a new note, it's automatically going to allow you to write, not prompt you for the title. Now tap back and scroll to the section that's titled Lock Screen and Control Center. Here, tap on Access Notes from Lock Screen and then choose one of two different options. First, it's going to be either Resume Last Note if it was created on the lock screen, or Resume Last Note if it was viewed in the Notes app. Now, I prefer to resume the last note because my iPad locks after 2 minutes. And this way, if I'm taking notes and it locks after 2 minutes, the 5-minute timer is going to work perfectly for me. It's always a balance between security and access. You can always change it if you wanted to, helping you save time and stay organized. Now, if you think that tip was helpful, just wait. In my upcoming next video, I'll be going through even more Apple Notes tips and tricks that will take your productivity and note-taking to the next level. So make sure you're subscribed because I don't think you want to miss this. It's really good. Now, let's recap what we've covered so far today. We walked through Universal Control and Sidecar and how they can help you seamlessly work across both your Mac and iPad. Then we took a deep dive in some of the best apps that were going to boost your productivity, from Cosmocast for podcasts to Crouton for meal planning, and even Apple Notes with its powerful new features. We also shared tips and tricks that are going to help you get more out of your Mac and your iPad setup, like continuity markup and quick notes, so you can work more effectively whether you're at your desk or on the go. Now, I want to give a big thanks to Taurus for supporting today's video. If you want to elevate your setup, be sure to check out the first link in the description for the O stand, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this. I've got more tips and tricks coming soon, including a full deep dive in Apple Notes, so make sure you don't miss out. Thanks again for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.